let's take our first poll right now in the chat. I'm going to ask you guys to be honest, all right? Give me a 1 when you hear about working with neural networks. Give me a 1 if you feel intimidated by it, or give me a 0 if you're not intimidated by it. I'm not going to call on anybody, right? But like, aren't neural networks kind of intimidating, right? Like if you're just starting out, if you're just kind of, like working your way through data science, like it's kind of intimidating to talk about neural networks, right? It sounds scary, right? Okay, so I'm already seeing some votes, right? Give me a 1 if you find neural networks intimidating, or give me a 0 if you're not intimidated by neural networks, right? I'm already seeing some ones, which I totally get, right? Like I'm admitting to you guys that when I was learning, I thought like learning about neural networks was like learning like a whole other thing, right? So I want us to take the time to think about these things, because by doing that, I think we're going to try to take some of that intimidation factor out of it, right? And also, you guys know how big I am about being able to talk to people like the non-math guy, right? And how can you talk to a business stakeholder in a way that they can understand neural networks if you yourself don't understand it in that way, right? Like you won't be able to do that, right? If your first class on neural networks is, hey, let's talk about PyTorch, and this is what a PyTorch, neural network snippet looks like that doesn't make you an effective talker to business stakeholders, right?